Hey guys, welcome back. In the last few sessions, we have discussed the abstract method of predicate interface, and we have seen some example on this test method as well. In this session, we will be discussing about the other methods of predicate interface, like AND method, is equal method, negate method, and OR method. Okay. So let's go and discuss it. So what exactly the AND method? So the AND method, it returns a composed predicate, and it is like, it's similar. AND method is like, similar to the short circuiting logical AND operator. Similarly for the OR method also will take the predicate and it will returns the composed predicate that represents a short circuiting logical OR operator. Okay, so negate it's completely opposite to the condition actually. If the condition is returning false, if you are applying negate on that condition, so the condition will fail actually. Okay, so we will discuss this with an examples. Okay, as of now, what I'll do is I'll try to explain the and or uh, um, with some with some table actually. So you'll understand what exactly and logical operator, what exactly or logical operator. Okay, so let's go and discuss. Yeah, here. So here, what I'll do is I have taken the condition A and condition B, and we are like writing the and or operators and or method. Okay, or and or operators you can assume. Okay, let's say in mathematics you might have learned about this actually. If the condition A is true, if the condition B is false, okay, the AND condition will fail actually. See here, what AND condition will tell? Both the conditions should satisfy. If you want to satisfy, if you want to return the AND condition as true, both conditions should satisfy. If any one condition is false, the result will remain false, right? So when it comes to the R, it is quite opposite actually. And our condition will say if any one condition is true, okay, if any one condition is true, I'll make the condition, entire condition as a true only, true only. So let's say there is a one more scenario. Let's say if condition A is false and condition B is true, so what and will return? It will return false. As I said, so and always check the two conditions to satisfy. If any one condition is not satisfying, it will return false only. When it comes to the R, it will return true. See, it is satisfying. R condition will say that any one condition should satisfy either condition A or condition B. In this case, the condition B is satisfying, so we will be returning the true. We'll be returning the true. Okay, so let's say uh, we have a condition A which is returning true, and we have a condition B which is returning true again. So and in this case, the AND condition will satisfy and it will return true. Why it will satisfy? The both conditions are returning true only. The both conditions are returning are the both conditions are satisfying. If the both conditions are satisfying, then it will be the AND condition will the AND logical operator will return true. And when it comes to the R, it will return true only. See, R will return true if any one condition should satisfy. Here, both conditions are satisfying. Definitely, R will also return the true only. Let's say if condition 1 is false and the condition 2 is also false. So then the entire condition, the AND method will return false only because if any one condition is false, the AND method will make the entire condition as false only. So when it comes to the R, so it will return false. It will return false only. It will return false only. So these are the logical and OR operators. So what about the negate? Negate. So negate is nothing but not. Okay. Let's say if there is a condition, if there is a condition A, uh, there is a condition B. Okay. So if the condition B is returning true, and if you're applying negate on this condition, negate on this condition, what this will return? Negate in the sense not, not true. Not true in the sense it will return false only, right? So if you're applying negate, if you're applying negate on the condition B, so what the condition B is returning? True. So not true, it will be false. Similarly, let's check for one more condition. If the condition is returning false, if you're applying negate on that condition, if you're applying negate on that condition B, so it will say not false, which is equals to, which is equals to true. Okay, so these are the some of the methods of the predicate interface. In the next few sessions, we'll be seeing the examples on the and, or, and the negate. Keep this concept in your mind. It will be going forward. It will be very helpful to you. Uh, I hope you understand this session. Okay, in the next session, we will be seeing an example on the and. Okay.